Greetings to you all. Welcome back to the channel. This is your host and strategic investor Al back in the building. I hope you all doing well and keeping your health and well-being in check. And as always, let's start with a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment and engagement purposes. Please do your due diligence before investing in any kind of investment and familiarize yourself with the risk, okay? Be wise and be smart with your money. Trust me. Anyways, so topic of the day, Msty. Yeah, my income generating foundation has done it again. My golden girl. So basically, she's bringing in approximately $1,000 worth of income for this month. And as you may already know, that income is going to help us grow more positions in the portfolio. In this video, I'm going to break it down and then I'll share my game plan and rationale for reallocating all of this income. Okay, so for the month of August, Msty generated a total of $554 with 68 cents in premiums. Okay, now after Uncle Sam took his cut, we are now left with $421 with 56 cents. All right. Now, on top of that, we will be receiving a distribution payout of $618 with 84 cents this coming Friday. Okay. Of course, Mr. Beer Collector is going to come in again and he's going to take his cut. And we are going to be left with $470 with 31 cents. Okay. So now, we took care of Uncle Sam. We took care of, the commission fees from the broker. After all of that, we have a grand total of $897 with 37 cents. And you know what that means. We got that much money that is ready to be reallocated. And now the question is, what are we going to buy and how are we planning to do it? And here's the game plan, people. PLTY is our next explosive income pair and the one position that I have been building with Msty's distribution. Okay, now, I'm not going to lie, there are a few other ETFs that have been very attractive in terms of NAV stability and a decent distribution payout. Okay, but my original goal or my original plan has always been to focus on building high yield positions. And the reason behind that is that these high yielders can accelerate the growth of my portfolio. Okay, I need to turbocharge it. I need to turbocharge this portfolio because we're not getting any younger. Okay, so for that reason, I'm sticking to the plan and I'm going to continue to grow those high yielders. In this case, PLTY is up next. Okay, and personally, the timing couldn't be better because right now the share price is below my cost basis. Okay, so this is a win-win for me. I get to participate in their next payout, which is going to be next week, and I get to dollar cost average into my position. Okay, so with that being said, let's go take a trip to PLTY very, very quickly, and so that I can. Oh, wait! Before we do that, I'm going to scroll down, and of course, I have to show you all of the premiums that we were able to generate throughout the month of August. Okay, because this is how I showed you my transparency, that I'm not making up these numbers. So here we go. We have a short per row. Basically, all I do is basically roll. That's all I have been doing throughout the whole entire year, and I have been able to generate that income by rolling positions. Okay, basically extending the date. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. I'm scrolling down. I'm doing it slowly so that way you guys don't get sick on me. And here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here down below we have another one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we were able to generate 12 different, or we were able to generate premiums in 12 different times. Now, as you can see, I have opened some new positions this month because Misty had a correction, or let me put it this way: MSTR had a correction. They had a pullback, which of course the synthetic is going to react the same way and it's going to be going down as well. So MSTR had a pullback, and I saw that as an opportunity, so I opened a few put credit spreads. Okay, I didn't do no cash secured put. I did put credit spreads, and I was able to generate a few premiums from that. We will see what the outcome of that is going to be. All right, I don't know because I opened them for a whole entire month. Hopefully, MSTR goes on a bull run, and Misty goes with it. Right. All right, so let's go to PLTY very quickly. And here we have it. We have 24 shares of PLTY at the moment. Right now, I'm in the negative. But we generated, what was it, $800 around that area, around that mark. We got $800 that we can actually utilize to grow our position on PLTY and participate in their next payout, which is going to be next Wednesday. Okay, we'll find out how much they're going to pay on Wednesday. Okay, so I have already set 2 limit orders with those $800 that we generated. The first one, we set a limit order for 6 shares at the price of $58.50. Okay. The second one, we set something up for, 8 shares at $59.50. Okay, so in total, we are going to get 14 shares of PLTY. Hopefully, if PLTY, if those contracts get executed, right? Hopefully, they get filled, and we are able to dollar cost average into our PLTY and bring our cost basis a little bit lower, right? Now, if by Tuesday those 2 orders don't go through and PLTY goes on a bull run, then I'll make some adjustments and maybe I'll just go and fix it up to set some limit orders for maybe $62 or $63, wherever it might be at that time. I did, you see this notification bell right up here? I did set some alerts in the scenario that PLTY's share price goes above $62. Because if it does that, that's when I'm going to make the adjustments for the limit orders, and I'm just going to set some limit orders close enough to the share price, okay? Because once again, I'm trying to, it will still be below our average cost or our cost basis, and it'll help out. And once again, I want to participate in the payout. Okay. All right, folks. I think that's going to be all for this video. I do have, I'm working on one series. Okay. And this one is going to be dedicated for tax lots. It's an amazing feature that Robinhood has. If you have not checked it out, I'm going to be making a series on it because, hey, the end of the year is approaching. It's right around the corner, and we need to start preparing ourselves for tax time, right? Okay, so that's coming. And then, of course, I'm going to be doing one more video on how I'm going to close out my Msty positions. Okay, and what I mean by positions is basically all of those contracts. I'm going to try to release all of that collateral, and we are going to be reapplying the same concept that I have applied on Msty throughout the whole entire year to PLTY, okay? And the reasoning behind, or the rationale behind that, is because you can trade options with PLTY. And I'll be honest with you, the premiums that are offering PLTY are not bad at all. We can do some damage with some of those premiums here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that for today. I hope I was able to keep you engaged. I hope that you were entertained. I hope that you learned something. And I guess I will see you on the flip. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to comment down below. And once again, I'll see you on the flip. Take care.